Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Gordmans Credit Card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Gordmans Credit Card account, open up a web browser first. In the URL box at the top, type in Gordmans Credit Card, login, and press enter on your keyboard. On the next page, you'll be able to see the search results. Click on this first one that says Gordmans Credit Card, and this will take you to a new tab where you can enter your credentials for your credit card account. Simply click on the sign in button appearing at the top right, and this will bring up the login area on the right hand side of the screen. Type in your username in the first text box and make sure to type in your information correct. Head over to the password field and type in your password as well. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click Remember Me so that you won't have to type in your credential again and again next time you try to log into your account. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device for your security. In case you don't remember your username or your password, click on this link that says Forgot Username/Password and follow the instructions in order to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after typing in your credentials, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Gordmans Credit Card account online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.